Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Major cryptocurrency exchange and service provider Crypto.com is launching a legal battle against the United States Securities and Exchange Commission with the goal of protecting the future of the crypto industry in the country. Boeing said it delivered 33 jets in September, down from 40 plane deliveries in August, as a strike mid-month by around 33,000 US West Coast factory workers weighs on output. Boeing's September deliveries were up by 6 jets from the same month in 2023. Gold prices fell over 1% and were on track for their biggest drop on a percentage basis in 1.5 months, as recent US employment data lowered expectations for a bigger rate cut, while markets awaited minutes of the US Federal Reserve's latest policy meeting for fresh signals. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.1% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.5% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The UK's 10Y bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT, Germany's exports at 6 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 6 GMT. The US EIA crude oil stocks change will be released at 14:30 GMT, Germany's trade balance at 6 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.